say this is week 19 of our project. We are raising oysters and clams on our dock out here for the Brevard County Zoo and the Restore Our Shores Foundation. The foundation will eventually use them. They'll take them from our dock. Well, they'll take the, are they gonna take the oysters?
They're taking the oysters.
I mean the clams?
No, we keep the clams.
Okay, so the clams will stay here, but the foundation will take the oysters and will eventually place them throughout the lagoon to help improve the water quality in the lagoon.
Yeah.
So, and we've kind of reached like middle of summer here, and we've had a lot of work to do recently. We've actually been pulling them out extra throughout the week. We didn't really get any footage of that. All we're doing is pulling them out and setting them on the dock because there's a lot of stuff growing in them and getting to them, and they seem to be getting dirtier too. So they recommended, the foundation recommended that we pull them out extra, just one day extra, right?
Yeah, like every 3 days.
Yeah. So you can see the water clarity is very poor. Sometimes it's crystal clear, but it's pretty poor. Now we did notice we did have bioluminescence the other night.
Yeah.
On 4th of July.
Sometimes when we have it, it looks like this. Like that's like the dino flag or whatever.
Yeah, well, it's windy out here too. So first thing we got to do, I need a pair of gloves.
Yep.
And the first thing we got to do is I'm going to pull up, I think we have 8 habitats now. So I got to pull up all 8 of these habitats and we'll see what they look like. We have, like I said, we had them out 3 days ago and they look pretty good.
Yeah. I think it really makes a difference doing that, and then it's less work cleaning them.
Yeah.
They're just heavy.
See them squirting.
Yep. I don't see anything in there either. So really, it did help with the fouling, because when you pulled them out earlier, there was more stuff in them, wasn't there?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it does. They're still growing through here. I mean, we just had all of these off the cage
I know.
a week ago.
They're in their growing season, I guess. Grow quickly.
Oh, there's one right there.
There's a little sheep's head.
Yeah, these are heavy.
Yeah. How much do you think that is?
50 pounds maybe? 40 pounds? It's a kind of puller.
I know. Up to see a sheep's head.
You see one?
Yeah.
Hope they'll swim now. So we'll have to go back there. We probably should right now.
Make sure there's
There's nothing under these.
I'm sure there's stuff underneath them.
Little crabs and stuff.
They look good though.
They do look good. There's a lot less stuff in here than there was last time we pulled them out.
Yes.
It's a good thing.
Yeah. It's hard to hear when you're out here, but when I delivered these to the zoo at the end of our last season, you can hear them click too.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, because you had them in the car.
I bet underwater you can hear them click.
Yeah. This is one of the new cages, new habitats.
So one adult oyster cleans and filters up to 80 gallons of water a day.
Is that the number?
Yep.
And there's how many approximately in each one of the habitats?
I think about 150 in each. So we have 8 of them.
Good squirt. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Look real good.
They look great. That extra day really does make a difference.
No doubt. Oh, this one's full. I'm gonna have to move some of these to one of the other ones.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a heavy one.
Yeah, it's gonna get jam-packed.
How did that get through right
I
there?
have no clue. Like we literally spent like an hour last week scraping.
There's a little sheep's head. Oh, there's a couple. Here's a big one right here.
Oh, that'd be such good
Fishing bait.
fishing bait. They're so brightly colored.
All right, so the reason we're pulling them out is to check on them and to get some of these predators out. Oh, I can hear something clicking around.
I think there's a crab in that bone.
So we're doing it to mimic. Basically, we're just mimicking a low tide, where all this stuff would have a chance to get out. I mean, where the oysters would have a chance to, you know, get some relief from the predators. So we're going to leave these out for 8 hours. We'll probably hose them down. They look pretty good, though.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure we need to hose them down.
Yeah, I know.
The cages. I mean, the cages look great.
That extra pull out this week,
yeah,
I think saved us time.
I think it did too.
It's great.
So let's go back through real quick and just make sure there's not some stranded little fish down here that we need to save.
I haven't found one toadfish.
Yeah.
There's something, some little shrimp. I don't think the shrimps hurt the oysters.
Well, there's a toadfish.
There you go.
There we go.
It's not that fat. Some of them are fat.
Oh, there's another ship.
Did he make it? Oh, he did.
They'll live. They live for quite a while.
It's amazing.
The toadfish will live for a long time out of water. But the
remember those mud minnows that we used in Charleston? Those
they look like
so crazy. There's a little crab, tiny little crab. Boop.
Oh, there's a sheep's head right there.
And some kind of a worm. Probably don't want any worms. Oh, that's a little toadfish.
Yeah. All right, cool. I think that's all we got to do for these.
Yeah.
Let them sit out. So let's.
We gotta hammer them a little bit.
Yeah, we do need to knock some stuff loose. We also, I want to move some of the stuff out of that last one over there. Like,
yeah.
Look how empty this habitat is right here.
Oh yeah, this one definitely has space.
There. Let's go ahead. Let's take 1 or 2 out and get a look at them while we're here. Week 19.
This was the one that I think I took everyone out and got the barnacles off of.
Oh, this one looks nice.
Yeah, it does.
We might want to hose them down. They got a little sediment on them, but that's natural. I mean.
Yeah.
So.
They probably are more efficient though when they're cleaned, you know.
They look good.
Maybe not though. I don't know.
There's like 30 of them right there.
Yeah.
25 of them.
Yeah. And they're definitely about like halfway grown.
Yeah.
Some of them look bigger, but I think those are just the original seed ones.
Oh, yeah.
That they spawned the little baby oysters onto.
All right, I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hose these down real quick while you suit up to go
to
scrub the
clams and do the water.
Yeah, so I'll hose these off real quick, and then I'll take the camera and we can do that down there and get the water sample done too, the salinity test.
All right, sounds good. That's way better.
Yeah, so we hosed them off, and then we ended up going through each one of them. Oh, here's a couple stuck in here. We have some that are growing through the cage here, and you can just take a screwdriver with your finger and work them out. I recommend a screwdriver. And then we also kind of moved some of these around so the cages are more proportional. This one has a lot of room in it still right here.
Well, I just took some. That one was so jam-packed. It's like packed up and down, so I'm hoping when because they're so heavy on the ground, I think the weight of them is why they're fusing to the cages so well, you know.
Definitely seems to help a lot taking them out twice a week this time of year.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So, all right, so I think we're done here though. I'm gonna hose the dock off while she gets to the clam bed, and then we'll try and clean that out the best we can. We have like zero visibility here, but we're still gonna get down there and brush it off with our old pool brush there. All right, you ready? I think you're outside the zone there. Oh no, I see, there's a...
I haven't done these new ones yet. They look pretty good.
Oh, there's nothing on there.
But, you know, the predators or whatever I can feel.
So what kind of predators?
Mainly just like the crown conch. It's like a conch. We found one that was like that big one.
Yeah.
But, they have like little spikes on their ridges, and those seem to be what goes after these the most that I found.
They look really clean. There's like nothing on your brush down there.
Yeah. So they replaced the bags, but you still want to get the sand off of them, because when they're this little, you don't want them to have put too much sand on them or something.
Did they just put new bags right on top of our old bags?
They took our bags out of the water and sorted them out with the sand because they were full of sand. And then got new bags and put the clams in the new bags. And I think, what did they say? We have 3 bags now?
I don't remember. Unfortunately, we rarely go out of town, but unfortunately they came to do all that with our clam bed like the week of our family reunion, and we weren't here to see the process.
Right, so here,
oh yeah, there you go.
here's crown conch eggs.
Here, bring it over here. I'm sure anyone who's been to the beach a lot up and down the East Coast has seen these.
Hold on, I don't want to step on the bag.
Oh yeah, okay. It kind of looks like someone put a necklace together of shells or something.
Yeah, or like an umbilical cord or a spine or something.
Yeah.
But you definitely don't want those. Those are crown conch eggs. So if
we don't want those.
If those get inside the nets, there's no way of getting them out.
Gotcha.
Unless we cut them open.
That's no good.
Maybe these new bags aren't like that, but the last bags were. I'm guessing these bags are the same. So that wasn't that many either, so I bet you there's more down here.
Could be, yeah.
Because
Those
usually
things,
you see longer
a long
string
tail of it, yeah.
Yeah. The water hasn't been real clear since they did it, so I haven't really gotten a good look.
You're not pulling anything up there, though.
No. Alright, and then I think there's some right here too. I feel like there is. I don't know.
Oh, they're super clean. I see some sand you're kicking up.
I think this might just be sand over here.
Oh, gotcha.
I can't tell. Maybe it's like.
So we
1,
just have the
2,
one
3.
row now?
I don't know if we just have the one row. I haven't been able to see. Have you?
No, I haven't. It's been a couple weeks.
I'll have to ask them.
Yep.
But I think it's probably, if I were them, I would have put them maybe like all 3 right here. So.
Yeah.
Unless they're bigger bags, I don't know.
Yeah, we'll email them and see what they did.
Yeah.
Oh, they left us a write-up too. I'll look at that.
It just said that we went from 5 bags to 3 bags and they looked good.
Gotcha. All right, cool. Let's do this salinity test real quick.
All right.
Here, I'll take that. Going with 36. Whoa, something's wrong.
No, it's just readjusting.
Okay. Whoa, it's low.
It is low.
Does that say 30, 20 something?
I think it's like 30 and a half. What?
Do that
This
again.
is 30.
Do that again. I'm not believing it. Real low. We usually get 34 to 36.
Yeah. We've been getting a lot of rain though. We are in the rainy season.
It's true.
Those were our readings, and then
Yeah. We got a lot of rain last night.
and all the runoff goes into the river and mixes with the salt water or the brackish water. So
All right, cool. Well, we'll record that reading and report it to the foundation
I
through
think
the.
as long as you're at 30, you're safe.
Gotcha.
Then 30 to 40.
Okay. All right, cool. Well, we're done here. Like I said, we'll let these sit out for 8 hours, and I'll plop them back in the water. Still need to hose off the dock, but that's it. So, if anybody has any questions or comments about the process here or about the Restore Our Shores Foundation, you can visit their website. I have a link to it posted right up there. You're also welcome to post down below. We've been doing this for a couple years now, so we can answer most of your questions, or some of them. We don't claim to be experts, we're just volunteers. But anyways, if you do have any questions or comments, just post down below. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.